Registering your account is quick and easy. In just a few short minutes, you'll be ready to begin connecting with advisors. Before you begin the registration process, it is important to note that we recommend that you fill in as many of the data fields as possible to ensure that we have enough information to match you with the advisors that will be most helpful to you. First, you will need to click the Get Advice option and then click Register Now. Next, accept the terms and conditions by clicking the checkbox and selecting Proceed. The terms and conditions you will see have been provided by the institution you're affiliated with. In the next step, indicate whether or not you'd like to build your profile using information from your LinkedIn account or by typing it in yourself. Using the Autofill with LinkedIn option will allow you to complete your registration in under 2 minutes. To make use of this feature, click the Autofill with LinkedIn button and enter your LinkedIn login details. If you will not be autofilling the forms using your LinkedIn account, click the button that says, I'll type it myself. Next, you will be asked to fill in your identifying information. If you've signed into your LinkedIn account, much of the information will already be pre-populated in the next few fields. If not, you will need to type everything in manually. Make sure that your name is displayed correctly. Your email address will be pre-populated. Optionally, you can enter a phone number, and we recommend that you do so that you can receive meeting reminders via text. Please note that your phone number will only be used for this purpose and will not be shown on the public site. Next, choose a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters. Then indicate your current location. You may see a pop-up asking you if you would like to share your location. Select Yes to allow the site to auto-detect it. Your picture will be pre-populated from LinkedIn. If you would like to change it, click the I want to use a different photo of myself button to upload a new image file from your device. Confirm your graduation year, and next your degree and field of study. If you have more than one degree from the same university, they must be added as separate entries. Click the Another Degree button to fill in the details. Next, select any groups that you've been involved with from the drop-downs. Please note that the list of groups you see here has been customized by the administrators at your institution. Select any languages that you speak fluently. This information will be used to match you with advisors that speak your language. Click through to the final section to answer a few more questions that will allow us to better calibrate your matches. Select the number one thing you'd like an advisor to help you with. Next, choose up to 3 topics that you could use help with. Select the location you'd like to live in 5 years. If you're not sure, that's okay. You can click the I'm not really sure option to leave this question open. Next, choose up to 10 industries you could see yourself working in the future. This will be used for matching purposes to try to pair you with mentors in your desired industries. Again, if you're not sure which industries you're interested in, and will be using your mentoring conversations to try to figure out which career might be right for you, you can click the I'm really not sure option. Select up to 10 employers that you are interested in working for. Lastly, select up to 10 roles you would be interested in having. Now you're ready to meet your advisors. Confirm that the details listed on the screen are accurate. If anything is incorrect, you can hit the back buttons to return to the previous sections and correct the details. Otherwise, click the Meet My Advisors button. On the next screen, you will be able to view your matches and will see a corresponding match rating for each advisor you've been paired with. Click the arrows to scroll through your matches. Click the green Meet button at the bottom of a match to view the advisor's availability and suggest 3 times to meet. Once you've selected your times, an automated message for you to send to the advisor along with your request will be generated. This email includes a brief description of your career goals and the topics you'd like to receive advice on. It is also editable and gives you the option of attaching a file to it, for example, your resume, before you submit your meeting request.